5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Before the election tribunal, the election petitioner appeared as applicant witness number 1 and produced AW2 Hanuman Singh, an election agent of respondent Tara Stop. The returned candidate herself appeared as NAW1 and produced Mohan Lal, her election agent, as NAW2 Stop. After recording evidence of the respective parties as noticed above, the election tribunal, by exercising powers under section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, for short the code, by order dated 1st June 2002, ordered for inspection and recounting of votes secured by respective parties in the chambers of the election tribunal in the presence of the parties. Stop. The parties were informed of the said order and the matter was posted for recounting of votes on 8th July 2002. Stop. At the request of one of the parties, the matter was adjourned to 10th July 2002. Stop. The recounting of the votes took place in the chambers of election tribunal in the presence of counsel for the parties between 2:15 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. on 10/7/2002. Stop. 15 packets of the votes secured by election petitioner were counted, which contained 650 votes, and out of these 650 votes, 6 votes were found to be doubtful, and therefore those 6 doubtful votes were kept in a sealed packet. Stop. The votes secured by the returned candidate, kept in 14 packets, were counted, which contained 651 votes, and out of these 651 votes, 8 votes were found to be doubtful, and therefore 8 votes alleged to be doubtful were kept in a separate sealed packet. Stop. 32 votes rejected by the returning officer has rightly rejected those 32 votes as being invalid votes. Stop. For rejection of those 32 votes, none of the parties raised any objection, and rightly so, because the invalidation and rejection was in accordance with law. Stop. Respondent Tara, in 10 packets, secured 449 votes, and for validity of those 449 votes, none of the parties raised any objection, and as such they were kept in the sealed packets. Stop. Stanza. Mr. S.G. Ojha, learned counsel appearing for election petitioner Srimati Madhu, contended that in absence of recrimination application as envisaged under section 97 of the RP Act 1951 by the returned candidate, even the votes secured by the election petitioner cannot be counted. What to say about the examination of their validity? Stop. In support of his contention, learned counsel for the election petitioner has relied on the judgments in N.E. Horo versus Leander Thiru and others. Stop. Amarjit Singh versus Sri Sampuran Singh and Jagdish versus Chandgi and another. Stop.